Question: find the roots. Here quadratic equation is x square minus thrice x minus 10. We know that the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So compare this equation. Here a equal to 1, b equal minus 3 and c equal minus 10, and the quadratic formula x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. So minus b minus 3 plus minus root over b square, so minus 3 square minus 4 into a, so 1, and into c, so minus 10. Okay, divided by 2 into a, 2 into 1 equal minus minus plus, so 3 plus minus root over 3 square 9 minus minus plus 4 into 1 4 4 to 10 ja 40 divided by 2 into 1 2, so equal 3 plus minus root 9 plus 40 49 divided by 2. So 3 plus minus root 49 means 7 divided by 2. So here x equal 3 plus 7 divided by 2, so 10 divided by 2, so answer is 5. Again x equal 3 minus 7 divided by 2, so minus 4 divided by 2, so minus 2. Second, the quadratic equation is 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Here a equal to 2, b equal plus 1 and c equal minus 6. So x equal minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. So minus b 1 plus minus root over b square means 1 square minus 4 into a, so 2 into c minus 6 divided by 2 into a, 2 into 2. So minus 1 plus minus root over 1 square means 1 minus minus plus 4 to the 8, 8 6 are 48 divided by 4. So minus 1 plus minus root 49 divided by 4. So minus 1 plus minus square root of 49 is 7, so divided by 4. Here x equal minus 1 plus 7 by 4. So 7 minus 1, 6 by 4. So 3 by 2. Again x equal minus 1 minus 7 by 4. So minus 8 by 4. So minus 2.